Welcome to your Jody AI Rundown for PJT Partners on Friday, May 1st, 2020. Our company headquarters are located in New York, New York, and we maintain additional offices in the US and throughout the world. Travel and related, consisting of costs for our partners and employees to render services where our clients are located. Professional fees, consisting primarily of consulting, audit and tax, recruiting and legal and other professional services. Communications and information services, consisting primarily of costs for our technology infrastructure and telecommunications costs. Depreciation and amortization, consisting of depreciation and amortization on our furniture, equipment, leasehold improvements, and intangible assets, and other expenses, consisting primarily of provision for credit losses, regulatory fees, insurance, fees paid for access to external market data, advertising, other general operating expenses and transaction-related payable to the Blackstone Group Incorporated, Blackstone or our former parent. These foreign funds were held primarily by our subsidiaries in Singapore, the United Kingdom, Malaysia, Mexico, Canada, and Australia, and to a lesser extent in Germany, India, and Albania among other countries. In March 2020, the World Health Organization categorized COVID-19 as a pandemic, and the President of the United States declared the COVID-19 outbreak a national emergency. In addition, several travel and entry restrictions in Macau, Hong Kong, and certain cities and regions in mainland China remain in place, including the temporary suspension of the visa scheme, the temporary suspension of ferry services and other modes of transportation, and bans on entry or enhanced quarantine requirements, significantly impacting visitation to our Macau properties, which continue to have a material impact on MGM China's results of operations. Examples of forward-looking statements include, but are not limited to, statements we make regarding the impact of COVID-19 on our business, our estimated monthly cash outflows while our domestic properties remain closed as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, execution of the MGM 2020 plan and our asset-light strategy, our ability to generate significant cash flow and execute on ongoing and future projects, including the development of an integrated resort in Japan, amounts we will spend in capital expenditures and investments, our expectations with respect to future share purchases and cash dividends on our common stock, dividends and distributions we will receive from MGM China, the operating partnership or city center, and amounts projected to be realized as deferred tax assets.